Write a program to find volume of cube, cylinder and rectangle using method overloading. So in comment line we will write it. The formulas for finding volume of cube, cylinder and rectangle is as follows. Volume of cylinder is 3.14 into r square into h. Volume of cube is a cube, that is edge of the cube, and volume of rectangle is length into width into height. For this we will declare a class volume find, and here we will write methods. Find volume. For finding volume cube we require only one parameter, that is its edge. So we will declare a variable. So we will declare method with single parameter, and in console.writeLine we will print volume of cube is a cube, that is a into a into a. Next we will write method for finding volume of cylinder. Since we are using method overloading, we will write a method with same name. So public void find volume. Here we require two parameters, that is radius and height. So we will declare two variables r and h, and in console.writeLine we will print volume of cylinder pi r square h, that is 3.14, which is a value of pi, into r square, that is the radius that we have passed, and height. Now we will write method for finding volume of rectangle. So public void find volume. For finding volume for rectangle we need three parameters, that is length, width and height. So I will declare variables for length, width and height, and in console.writeLine we will write L into W into H, and in main method first we will declare a choice to accept to find which method we have to execute, that is whether we have to find the volume of cube, cylinder or rectangle. And in console.writeLine we will write first is cube, then second is cylinder, and third is rectangle. Then we will write enter choice, and in ch we will accept it. Since ch is an integer, we will convert it to int 32, and I will check if ch equal to 1, we will find the volume of cube. So we are going to execute the find volume method with single parameter. So we will declare a variable a, and we will accept it, and we will accept the edge of the cube. In a we will accept it. So convert dot to double, since our variable is double. Then we will create object Before checking the choice, we will create object for our class volume find. And if ch equal to 1, we will call v dot find volume with single parameter. Next we will check if ch equal to 2. If ch equal to 2, we are going to calculate the volume for cylinder, and for finding the cylinder we need two variables, radius and height. So we will declare two variables, r and h, and in console.writeLine we will accept radius of cylinder, and in n we will accept it by converting it to double. Then we will accept the height of the cylinder in h, and we will execute the method find value with two parameters. Next we will check if ch equal to 3, we will find the volume of rectangle. For this we will require three parameters, length, width and height. So we will declare three variables, then we will accept it. First we will accept the length, then we will accept the height, and then we will accept the width, and we will call the method find volume with three parameters, and else we will write invalid choice. To execute, we will press F5. First it will accept the choice, that is find the volume of cube, cylinder or rectangle. If I enter 1, it will accept the edge of the cube. If I enter 6, it will print 216. Since volume of cube is a cube, that is 6 cube, which is 216. If I enter choice 2, it will accept the radius of cylinder, then it will accept the height of the cylinder, and then it will calculate the volume of cylinder.